Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kwajo, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact NVC, that is the National Visa Center. Remember that currently NVC is not accepting phone calls and they are not accepting emails either. The only way that you can use to contact NVC is by using their public inquiry form. Without wasting much time, let's dive into how you can use this inquiry form to submit your questions or inquiry to NVC. All you have to do is to go to your browser and type in NVC inquiry form, then you click on enter. You're going to see public inquiry form travel, then you click on it. It's going to take you to travel.state.gov. Travel.state.gov. Please, if you see travel.state.com, that is not the official website. If you see travel.state.com, that is not the official website. You have to make sure you double check and see that if it is travel.state.gov. Then after that, you just scroll down and you are going to see public inquiry form. Public inquiry form. All this information you see here is, from travel.state.gov that they are trying to let you read. And if you don't want to read, it's up to you. If you want to read, it's up to you. If you finish reading or if you don't read it, all you have to do is to scroll down and you are going to see NVC case number or USCIS receipt number. And this case number is, the number that NVC or USCIS sent to you. And you are going to see this, number on your receipt, paper, like, the letter that NVC sent to you, you are going to see this case number on it. So you have to make sure you type the correct NVC number in this box. Now the second one is principal applicant full name. This is the person who is going to immigrate to the United States. Please enter the name as it appears on his or her passport. All you have to do is to just type their name, the principal applicant. You type their name in this box. The principal applicant is the one that you are sponsoring. Let's say you are the petitioner, right? Let's say you are the petitioner, so you are the one sponsoring for the principal applicant. So all you have to do is to type the principal applicant full name that appears in their passports. You just have to type it in this box. Now the second one is principal applicant date of birth. Principal applicant date of birth. And make sure this date of birth, you type the same date of birth that appears on, their passport. So all you have to do is to click on this, box, and this, calendar is going to pop up. Then you click and choose the year that they were born, let's say 2015. Then you choose the month that they were born, let's say September. Then, that's it. Next one is, petitioner's full name. The petitioner is the person who is sponsoring, the principal applicant. This is the person who is sponsoring, the principal applicant. So let's assume I'm the one, sponsoring for somebody. Then I'm going to enter my full name that appears on my passport in this box. Now the next one is who are you? Who are you means who is trying to send this inquiry form to NVC. Let's say you are the petitioner or you are the principal applicant. Whoever you are, all you have to do is to click on this box. You are going to see this pop up. Then you click, if you are the petitioner, trying to send the inquiry to NVC, then you click on petitioner. If you are the principal applicant, then you click on principal applicant. So let's assume I'm the petitioner, trying to, send this inquiry to NVC. Now the next one is your email address. Your email address. Please make sure you type in the correct email address that was submitted or that you submitted to NVC during your application. Make sure you submit the correct email address, else you are not going to receive a reply from NVC. So you just type in, your email address in this box. Please make sure you double check your email address before you submit this application to NVC. Now, if you see this big box, that is where you are going to type your question. Whatever question you have for NVC, you are going to type it clearly in this box. So all you have to do is to type your question, or whatever question you have for NVC, just type it in this box, and make sure you type question that they will understand. Don't make it complicated for them, please. And now that the last one is attachment. So you can choose a file and just upload it here. Let's say during your application, let's say you made an error, or let's say you made a mistake that you want NVC to correct it. All you have to do is to take a screenshot of that error and save it in your computer or on your phone. Then when you click on choose file, it will take you to your save files. Then you choose it. All you have to do is to upload it, and this file is going to let NVC understand what you are trying to ask them, or the question that you are trying to ask them. If you don't have any file to upload, please make sure you type question correctly. Make sure you clearly type your question so that NVC will understand what you are trying to say. After that, then you click on I'm not a robot. If you click this, sometimes something will just pop up for you to choose an image, whether you know that when you choose I'm not a robot, you see that that pop-up images that the system asks you to choose, whether it's bicycle, or choose the boxes that contain bicycle or buses, or or anything, any image that they ask you to choose. All you have to do is to choose them. Then you click this section that the 4 square box that you see here, and you're going to see the checkbox. After that, then you click submit. I'm not going to submit this because I'm not sending an inquiry. I'm just doing this video to show you how to submit inquiry to NVC. So I'm not going to click on submit. But if you finish checking that everything that you type is correct, all you have to do is to click submit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share, and drop your comments in the comment section. If you have any question, I'm going to read your comments, and if I have to do a video to answer your question, I will do so. Thank you, and see you in the next video.